what are some of the steps that go into making an album from scratch?
First of all, if it's an album that you write, of course you need to write the songs. But if you're gonna have covers, you need to get them ready, translate them, and picking the songs and then translate them, make sure they fit with all the words and all the ins and out of it into Creole, and then build the instrumental.
Hold on, explain a little bit about what building the instrumental looks like.
Well, for me, when I build the instrumental, first of all, I do a piano track. Like, I make sure I sing the song. Piano, all the details, like if I'm gonna have a bridge, if I'm gonna have a chorus, I make sure I have all that laid out in the piano. And I record a scratch vocal. The scratch vocal will be like it's gonna be my guide. Jésus même oui connaît, c'est la Bible qui dit moi si c'est force non faiblesse. I'm gonna start.
So that's not the real vocals.
No.
It's just you singing into it.
I just sing it so that I can know, okay, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, and all that. With the scratch vocal.
You lay that out.
Yes.
After the piano.
Yes, and after that I go into drums. After drums, I do bass. After bass, if I'm gonna have someone come play a live live electric guitar, then someone will come in and lay that track, and then I do the acoustic myself, and then we go from there.
And then you have all those little detailed instruments. If there's
there are
any bells or
bells, shakers, and tambourines and all that. I do all
you
that
lay all of that
on the piano, yeah.
right here. Okay, so then after all the sequencing is done, then comes recording day.
That's when we lay the backing vocals. Campbell, then you oh, excuse me. La fête deux. After. Lead vocals is always the last thing I do.
After we've recorded, then comes the mixing, right?
Yes. Yeah, the mixing can take 15 to 18 hours total
for one song.
Yeah, from when I start to finishing it. So like if I work today on a song, I'm not gonna finish it today. If I start like 9 a.m. and end it at like 4, tomorrow I'm gonna come and work on it again. And then when I feel good about it, then I'll take a pause, listen to it for a few days, and then I master it. Master is the final process. It's the making sure that it's at a level where it can compete with all the other tracks, like professional tracks, with volume and with stereo widening, and the highs and the lows, are they really well balanced? That's the final icing on the cake.
early today. I am in front of the first place we're gonna film at, and it's looking like rain outside. So I'm hoping it doesn't rain on us. But waiting for the dancers to show up, and then we'll start filming.
Gade men pi fon ti c'est tout petit, pou ka sorti nan caméra, nan caméra, la fon ti monter le tout petit.
All right, we just finished filming and having a little dinner, and we're gonna film some more tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, about to film day 2, and it is 100% chance of rain and windy. So we're gonna see what happens.
On va gagner un bruit. Allez, là. 1, 2, 3.
So after the songs are actually done, that's when we do all the platform stuff. That's when we see copyrights if they're not our original songs. That's when we're making album covers.
Yeah.
We're designing, we're putting all the information in so that it can go on YouTube, Amazon Music,
YouTube,
iTunes,
Spotify, everything.
Yeah, and all of that, there's a lot of information you have to plug into the system.
Yes, if it's not my own song, if it's a cover, I pay an annual fee just to have the permission to release it.
I'm in the middle of making the lyric booklet. It's taking forever. Showing here. Lots of typing to do. Okay, so what was it like making this album?
It was long.
Are you glad you did it?
Yeah. Watching it right now, I feel the joy. The joy of accomplishing something good.
What are you doing right now?
Fixing some mistakes before releasing the videos.
And when did we find out these mistakes and are fixing them?
After releasing them.
So we're releasing tonight, and it's, this morning, and we're still in the details. And then we'll be done. Would you be open to releasing another kids album next year? Too soon?
Too soon. I wouldn't mind doing a kids song, but album is heavy.
Bon Dieu, remet tout ti moun yo. Petit garçon mouri pour nous. Li campé, bras l'ouvri, la donne nous. Bon Dieu, remet